Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Toru that's a sheaf gleaned in French fields was dedicated to A. Mary Martin, B. Govind Chandra Dutt, C. Clarisse Bader, D. Her mother, Kshetramoni Dutt. The right answer is option C. A sheaf gleaned in French fields was dedicated to the French scholar Clarisse Bader, reflecting Toru Dutt's admiration for French literature. Next question. Which of the following French poets is not represented in A sheaf gleaned in French fields? A. Victor Hugo, B. Alphonse de Lamartine, C. Alfred de Musset, D. Charles Baudelaire. The right answer is option D. The anthology includes translations of poets such as Victor Hugo, Lamartine, Musset, and others, but not Charles Baudelaire. Next question. Toru Dutt's sister, whose death profoundly influenced her poetry, was A. Aru Dutt, B. Swarnkumari Devi, C. Sarla Devi, D. Chandramukhi Basu. The right answer is option A. Aru Dutt died in 1874, and her death deeply affected Toru Dutt's emotional and poetic life. Next question. Which statement regarding a Caswariana tree is correct? A. It is written entirely in heroic couplets, B. It is an elegiac lyric commemorating lost companionship, C. It is a dramatic monologue, D. It is written in blank verse. The right answer is option B. The poem is essentially an elegiac lyric celebrating friendship, memory, and poetic immortality. Next question. In A Caswariana Tree, the tree is compared to which mythical creature because of the creeper entwined around it? A. Phoenix, B. Python, C. Giant wearing a scarf, D. Serpent of Eden. The right answer is option C. The creeper hanging around the Caswariana tree is compared to a giant wearing a scarf, one of the poem's most memorable visual images. Next question. Which Indian mythological character is celebrated for unwavering devotion in Toru Dutt's poem Dharuva? A. Prahlada, B. Dhruva, C. Nachiketa, D. Bharat. The right answer is option B. Dhruva is the legendary child devotee who attained immortality as the pole star. Next question. Which of the following statements about Le Journal de Mademoiselle d'Avaz is correct? A. It is written in diary form, B. It is an epistolary novel, C. It is a verse romance, D. It is a historical chronicle. The right answer is option A. The title itself, Journal, indicates that the novel is presented in diary form. Next question. Which of the following is not associated with Toru Dutt's literary style? A. Romantic imagery, B. Mythological adaptation, C. Symbolic treatment of nature, D. Stream of consciousness. The right answer is option D. Stream of consciousness is a 20th century modernist technique and is absent from Toru Dutt's writings. Next question. Which famous English poet is directly referred to in A Caswariana Tree? A. John Milton, B. William Wordsworth, C. John Keats, D. Samuel Taylor Coleridge. The right answer is option B. Toru Dutt alludes to Wordsworth while expressing the desire that the Caswariana tree should achieve poetic immortality similar to celebrated natural objects in English poetry. Next question. The phrase, borrowing a sweet name from the past, in A Caswariana Tree primarily suggests A. Colonial influence, B. Memory preserving the dead, C. Religious conversion, D. Political nationalism. The right answer is option B. The phrase emphasizes the power of memory to preserve loved ones beyond death. Next question. Which of the following poems by Toru Dutt is based on the worship of goddess Durga? A. Savitri, B. Jogadhya Uma, C. Lakshman, D. Dhruva. The right answer is option B. Jogadhya Uma is based on the worship of the goddess Uma, Durga. Next question. Toru Dutt's literary career belongs to which reign in British India? A. Queen Anne, B. Queen Victoria, C. King Edward VII, D. King George V. The right answer is option B. Toru Dutt wrote during the Victorian period under the reign of Queen Victoria. Next question. Which one of the following best describes the structure of ancient ballads and legends of Hindustan? A. A sequence of dramatic monologues, B. Independent narrative poems based on Indian legends, C. Sonnet cycle, D. Blank verse epic. The right answer is option B. The collection consists of separate narrative poems inspired by Indian mythology and legends. Next question. Which of the following poets is least likely to have influenced Toru Dutt? A. William Wordsworth, B. Alfred de Musset, C. Victor Hugo, D. T.S. Eliot. The right answer is option D. T.S. Eliot belonged to a later modernist generation and had no influence on Toru Dutt. Next question. Which of the following correctly describes Bianca, or the young Spanish maiden? A. A complete historical novel. B. An unfinished romance in English. C. A French novella. D. A dramatic poem. The right answer is option B. Bianca is an unfinished English romance published posthumously. Next question. Which literary device is most prominent in The Lotus? A. Satire. B. Extended symbolism. C. Irony. D. Paradox. The right answer is option B. The lotus symbolizes the harmonious union of Eastern and Western aesthetic ideals. Next question. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? A. Our Casvarian, a tree, elegiac nature lyric. B. The lotus, political allegory. C. Daruva, social satire. D. Bianca, epic poem. The right answer is option A. Our Casvarian, a tree combines nature poetry with elegiac remembrance and the theme of poetic immortality. Next question. Which of the following critical observations about Toru Dutt is most accurate? A. She merely imitated English romantic poets without originality. B. She successfully indigenized English poetry by integrating Indian myths, landscapes, and cultural memory into romantic forms. C. She rejected all European literary influences. D. She wrote exclusively for colonial readers. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.